morning to one and all. How are you? Hope you all are healthy and fit at your place. Now I am here with my part 2 video of social networking, chapter number 9. Okay, so here in this video we are going to learn merits and demerits of social networking, means its advantages and disadvantages. Okay, here we will also learn how to create a Facebook account. Okay, so for further practical work, we will move to our Windows screen.
So students, here we are learning the advantages and disadvantages of social media or social networking. Okay, so first of all we will learn, is social media good or bad? Okay, so here the basic thing is, what is social networking? Social networking means creating a public profile within a particular website and making the relationship between other peoples who are using the same website. Means you need to create an account if you want to connect with them. Okay, even though social networking can be useful, it used within the preventive measures, its advantages overweigh the disadvantages. Okay, so here let me take a look to the advantages of social networking. Social networking has grown to a level where it has become a part of our daily day-to-day life. Okay, so just like other services on the internet, it also has its own advantages and disadvantages. Means as the thing grown up, it becomes the advantages and non-advantages for the person. Okay, so here are some pros of the social networking, that is the advantages. Okay, number 4, worldwide connectivity. Number 2, the real-time information. Okay, sharing free advertisement, means we can share the free advertisement over the social networking sites. Okay, the next is cost effectiveness. The next one is the building credibility. Okay, here we will discuss that points in the brief. The worldwide connectivity, what is the means of worldwide connectivity here? Means it is easier and faster to make the new friends or the business connections or extended their personal days. Okay, means we can create or we can easily create in a very faster manner new friends or the business connection through the social medias. Okay, number 2, there are new websites that dedicated to allowing the people to connect and to interact via the internet. Means today in this era, number of websites are available that allows the people to connect and interact via the internet. Okay, these connections can help one with a variety of things, such as we can easily find out the friends through the social media, we can easily seeking a job, we can getting product and services referrals, receiving the support from the like-minded individuals, like making of the receiving an advice on career and personal issues. Okay, so by using this we can connect worldwide and we can do such kind of tasks. Okay, the next is worldwide connectivity. Means the place of exchange news and get updated on the friends and family. Means we can easily exchange the information and news within our family and friends. Commonality of interest, means you can pick any and choose other individuals who has similar likes and dislikes. Okay, you can virtually meet with your friends online anytime. Means if you want to connect or if you want to talk with any of your friend, then you can virtually meet with him or her anytime. Okay, the next is real-time information sharing. Means with social networking site you can exchange the information easily in real time via a chat. Real time means that time you send the message, at that same time you get the same response. Okay, so it means the real time. When you send one single message to your friend, at that same time you will get the desired answer. Okay, in addition, the internet is ultimate online textbook. Other than students, social networking can provide a tool for managers too. Means it can utilize in terms of meeting, like for conference organizers use to update the attendees and use as a meaning of or a means of interacting with clients or prospects. Okay, it can also be advantages in the business field. Okay, the next is advantage in advertising. The best part of advertising in social media site is that you can spread the word for free. Means if you have some good product, then you can easily make the advertisement of that product by using the social media. Okay, Facebook has a range of services designed to help the business market themselves for more effectively. Okay, By having the company social networking profile, you can deliver the improved service, customer service, and respond effectively to the feedback. Means if you have a company, then you can easily create a network profile by using that company's name, and you can deliver your product and provide the customer service. Okay. The next is cost effective. Social media website or social networking websites provide the free of cost services to their users. It is one of the most cost effective method to reach people in your network. Means you can easily provide these services to the users, and it is cost effective services. Okay. Now the next one is the building credibility. It can help the business communities to build their credibility among their customers by connecting them personally and professionally. Means we can connect the people with ourselves by personally or professionally. Okay, that can help in a way to make them loyal towards the company or the brand. Okay. The next are some disadvantages, that is some cons of our social media. Number one, cyberbullying. Number second, the higher risk of fraud and identity theft, privacy issue, other disadvantages. Okay, so here we will learn it. The cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is when a person is continuously bullied through a online accounts. Means if you are getting unwanted messages through a particular account, that it comes under the category of cyberbullying. Okay. Bullying has always been a problem among the young people and even adults. Nowadays, number of people are facing this kind of problem. Okay. However, when social sites, that is SNS, come around, the bullying has taken a whole new level, as SNS become the perfect venue of bullying. Okay. Means nowadays social media or social networking becomes a perfect venue of bullying. People can harass for 24/7 and it can be done anonymously. Means you can be easily harassed by any of the people. Okay. The next one is cyberbullying. Easy to spread false information. Means nowadays you have seen number of false information comes to your account when you are in your Facebook account, when means number of things that has the false information can be spread easily by using the social sites. Okay. People can take the advantage because everything is being performed behind a screen, which makes it easier to make the fun of someone. Okay. Means you don't have to see the face of that person who creates the misunderstanding or the false information. Okay. It can be spread from one network to another network easily. Okay. The victim, emotional distress, self-esteem issues, and depression. Okay. These are the main issues of your social networking. The next is higher risk of fraud and identity. Means being a part of social network, understanding the security risk that online users can face, like anyone can forge a false identity on a social network. Means anyone can create your duplicate profile or a false profile of your ID. Okay, and pose someone else. Without verification of someone's identity, one could be a friend and complete strangers and not be even know it. Means we are not adding any of the person to whom we don't know. Okay, it becomes a very crucial, or it becomes a problem for you in your future. Okay. Information posted on SNS, okay, opens the possibility. Means any of the person can easily theft your identity, your pictures, and your data from your social networking site. Okay. Next is higher risk of fraud. Means like most thieves need just a few key pieces of your personal information, like your date of birth, your name, and location, to create a false identity. This concept becomes more popular nowadays. Okay. Without proper setting and privacy control, high chance of someone stealing your private information, photos, and use it against you. Means any one of the people who knows your some information, like your date of birth, your name, your profile, TP at all, that they can create your duplicate profile and use it as a against weapon. Okay. Now lack of privacy is the major issue of your social networking sites. Okay. Other disadvantages of social sites are addiction. The most common disadvantage of social networking site is addiction. Means often users of these sites get addicted to it. They spend hours a number of times to using these sites, and it harms their performance in other field, like it causes too much health problems, mental health issues is there, it harms their body too. Okay, the next is loss of motivation in students. This one is the main point that we have to focus on it. The students motivational level reduces due to the use of these social networking sites. They rely on the virtual environment instead of gaining the practice knowledge from the real world. Means the students can spend lots of time on the social medias that can be harmful and loss of motivation in their studies. Okay, students have started relying more on the information accessibility easy on the social networking sites and the web. Okay, this reduces their learning and research capability also. Now we have some tips for using the Facebook safety. Number one, do not make use of personal information. Means we are not going to input our personal information like our residential address, our phone number, our cell phone number, our DP at all public. It can lead your identity theft. Okay, make sure that the photos have been uploaded with proper privacy settings, as they cannot be misused for the commercial purpose. Okay, do not accept friend requests of the person to whom you don't know. Be careful while posting something on your wall, as it is prominently placed on your site as well as to your family and friends update. Okay, as we already discussed in our previous video that Facebook is one of the most useful social networking website that allows us to keep in touch with our friends, relatives, family members or so many other people. So for that, what we require a email or a Facebook account. Okay, so for that, so for creating that account we have to follow such steps. Okay, so first of all we have to open any of our web browser. Okay, so here we have the Google Chrome. We just double click on it and it will take few seconds to open it. Here you have seen a Google Chrome window appears on your screen. This one is your URL bar, that is Uniform Resource Locator. Okay, so opening the Facebook site, you just have to write the URL www.facebook.com. okay, facebook.com. Here it will redirect you to the page of the Facebook. Okay, here this one is the already existent user. Means if you already have the user ID and the password or a pre-account, then you have to input your credentials and log in here. Okay, if you are new user and you want to register yourself, then you just have to click on the create new account. Okay, then after that its home page will appear. This one is the home page of your Facebook sign up page. Here you have to enter your details. Okay, so first it will ask your first name. Suppose my name is Shivi and I want to input the first name. Okay, after that I have Shivi Singh. Okay, here it required my mobile number or email address. You can fill your email address. If you have the mobile, then you will enter your mobile number. Okay, here suppose I have write my mobile number. Okay, after that it requires my password. Okay, here you have to enter your password. After this it requires your date of birth. Suppose you have to write your date of birth here, 9 October 2004. Okay, after that you will select your gender from here. If you are a female, then you can select the female, otherwise you have to select the male from here. Suppose I am a female, so I have select my gender here, that is female. After this I have to click on the sign up button. Okay, then you are now ready to use your Facebook and search for your friends. Okay, it will take few seconds to create your Facebook account. Okay, after clicking on the sign up button, you have to redirect to a new page where you have to enter the code that comes into your mobile number or whatever you have filled your email address. Okay, so I have filled my mobile number, so a code is coming into my phone, so I have just write that code here. It's 44620. Okay, this one is the kind of OTP, 44620. Okay, it is used for the security purpose. Then I'll just continue here. Now my Facebook account is ready to use. Okay, you have successfully, here it shows a message account confirmed. Okay, it's just a message for verification that confirmed your account. Okay, then you just have to click here. After that, first of all, we have to create our profile here. That requires a detailed profile, make it easier for us to find the peoples and for other peoples to find us. Okay, here you have seen. Now the next step is by setting up your profile. Means the first thing that we have creating our account. After that we have to click on the add friend option. Okay, or we can select the find friend. Here you have seen the add friend. It will show number of friends that you want to add. Okay, if you know someone or you are interested in someone's profile, then you can just click on the add friend option. Okay, either you have to remove it. Okay, then click on the next button. Okay, after that you have seen a page, that is a Facebook profile page appears on your screen. Okay, so first of all we will do the setting of this. First of all we will learn how to add the picture. So here this one is your upload a profile picture option. You just have to click up on your add picture option. Okay, or you just have to click on take a picture. So you can select your picture from your picture gallery or wherever you have saved your image. Okay, so suppose I want to save my image like from here. Okay, suppose I want to upload this image as my DP, so I can select this. Okay, it will take few seconds to upload your DP. You can upload a stored photograph using the add picture button, or you can use the webcam to click and upload your profile picture. Okay, using take a photo link. Okay, this allows others to quickly see who you are, making conversation between friends and family easier. Okay, now your profile picture gets uploaded. If you want to delete it, then you just have to click it here. Okay, delete your profile picture. After that you have to click here. It redirects to your home page. Okay, this one is your timeline. You can edit your profile from here. Okay, just click on it. Here you have to select the back cover. Okay, back cover, that is the timeline cover. Okay, so after that you just have to click on search. Here you can find out the friends. You just have to write the name of your friend. Suppose one of my friend is Anshu Arora Dhanik, then I just have to write the name here and I can search it. Okay, this will shows the options and this will shows the peoples to whom you may know. Okay, here you have seen the post, peoples, photos, videos, pages, etc. Okay, suppose the next thing, if I want to share anything with my friends, then we have to type it in the status bar showing what's on your mind and click and post it. Okay, suppose I want to write something or I want to share something. Okay, then what I have to write, I just have to click on the status bar. This one is my status bar. Okay, I just have to write something it here and upload it. Okay, and share it. If I want to add a photo, picture or video, then I just have to click here, photos, video, picture, and I can upload it easily. Okay, suppose I want to upload this picture on my page, then I just have to click it and say something about it, like social media. If I want to write here the tag social media, okay, then I just have to write the social media here and post it. Okay, it shows us different options like tag friend. If we have number of friends, then we will tag it. We will tag our friend from here. Okay, and we want to like add feeling, activities, celebrating just from here. Okay, feeling blessed, feeling love, feeling sadly thankful. Okay, suppose I want to add like social media feeling thankful. Okay, so I can choose it from here and we can update it in our news feed and our story too. Okay, you just have to click on the post button from here. Or if you like some post to your friend and you want to share it with your friends list, that under the post click share option. Okay, if you want to give some comment to your friends post, then click on the comment option. Okay, suppose I want to write some comment, then I just have to click here. This one is your comment section and under this you can write the comments. Okay, suppose nice. If I want to write the nice here, then I can write nice only, okay, and press the enter key. It will update the comment in your or in your friends photo or whatever they have shared. Okay, I thought you are all are clear with how to create a Facebook account. Okay, if you want to log out this, then you just have to click here the logout button. Okay,
That's all about today's presentation. If you have any doubt and query related to the video, then you can contact me, drop a message and WhatsApp me, okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.